This is the engine review for the Volkswagen, for the Mk6. This is the first stage of cleaning the cylinder head, because still remaining a couple of carbon here, some things here and there. But the reason why I put it now is I want to see that the ports of the headers here, with the ports of the cylinder head and the intake with aftermarket intake manifold, that they're matching, they're perfect straight and they're the same. Just only bolt it in and then you see it from inside if it's okay, it's aligned and does have a step, does have a lip. Fortunately for me it's very good quality and it's perfect. It's not big, it's not smaller, just only in one spot has a difference, but I cannot touch it. Here in this spot, the intake manifold on this spot here, 1 second to focus, it's a little bit more inside by 1 millimeter, but I cannot remove material from here because coming the O-ring and from here it's passing the fuel injector. I'm talking about this spot here, not on the cylinder head but on the intake. So this is how it looks like. And I'm continuing. The engine block is over there, the pistons are inside. Bottom end is assembled, it's finished. And today we have the cylinder head. Look how much carbon has the valves. This car didn't have water methanol. It's not like the GTI. The GTI was have more kilometers. 1 second. Full of carbon. I'm very happy because the customer, he brought the valves, springs and this one, so I need to clean all these things, fortunately. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.